Hi everybody, let's talk about the Profound laser, another amazing laser that we have. So I got this machine for some selfish reasons. So I'm Hispanic and typically we're known to fall. We don't really wrinkle, but our faces fall and get heavy and jowly. And it's really hard to find a solution for that. Some people will claim that fillers can lift this up. And yeah, it can do that a little bit. It can give you volume back where you've lost some volume. And maybe by virtue of just giving you a little bit of volume can give you a little bit of a lift. Some plastic surgeons would say that that's totally impossible, that could never happen. And so I needed to find a different modality to help lift the lower face. It's also limited with jawline filler, other things that we've done around the jaw. You can only get so much improvement. So the reason I love Profound is it's incredibly organic in the sense that it helps rebuild your own elastin, collagen, and hyaluronic acid using radio frequency with microneedling on steroids. It's not like your typical microneedling machine. And it does so in an organic way. Basically, it stimulates your body to do that work. So this really does rely on your body to rebuild all those factors. We can do our part of making you comfortable for the procedure and making sure we drop enough lines in there to get an effective response. But then it's up to your body to build all those growth factors. So if you're curious about it, come in for a consult. It's pretty detailed. We walk you through the whole process. And I almost always recommend comboing it with the CO2 laser, which we give you at a discounted price. Book a consultation today. Bye, guys.